Hi viewers, do you believe education has the power to change lives, bridge gaps and unite the world? Imagine having access to top-notch education anywhere, anytime. In a world where knowledge empowers, Khan Academy is reaching millions of learners and educators. In this International Week of Science and Peace, there is no better time to talk about this app. Could this app be answer to bridging educational gaps worldwide? Let's find out. Welcome to my channel. I'm Sandeep Dongadi, a software developer and a tech enthusiast. And today we are diving into Khan Academy, the only educational app you have been looking for. Whether you are a student, a parent, or just someone who loves to learn, this app promises to revolutionize your learning experience. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. With over 168.7 million registered users and over 58.7 billion minutes of learning time, Khan Academy has 153.4 million learners, 7 million educators, and 8.3 million parents. The app has over 10 million plus downloads on Google Play Store alone and a combined total review of about 248,000 across Android and iOS. This app has earned itself a solid reputation, maintaining an average rating of 4.6 on Android and iOS. Clearly, users are loving it. So what makes Khan Academy one of the most impactful educational apps out there? The app has a simple, user-friendly design with an intuitive layout. It is organized by subject and grade level, making it easy for users to find relevant content. The app focuses on minimalist design, primarily using blue and white for a clean educational aesthetic. The app is optimized for mobile use with clear navigation menus that makes accessing lessons, practice exercise, and progress tracking straightforward. Its design aligns with accessibility principle and it's often receiving updates to improve the user experience. Let's dive into all the features this app has to offer. We'll keep a countdown running as we explore them all. Ready? Here we go. Thousands of instructional videos across subjects such as math, science, humanity, computer programming, and test prep for SAT and LSAT. Videos are structured into short, digestible segments to help users focus on specific concepts. Interactive practice exercises follow most lessons, allowing users to apply what they have learned. Exercises adapt in difficulty based on user performance, encouraging mastery at an individualized pace. Quizzes and unit tests are available in many subjects to assess understanding of broader topics. Personalized progress tracking shows users their learning path, completed topics, and area for improvement. Users can earn badges and achievements as they complete activities, encouraging motivation and consistency. Users can download videos and some exercise to study offline, making the app convenient for users without reliable internet access. Offline mode works seamlessly, allowing progress to sync once internet access is restored. The app tailored recommendations based on each user's strength, weakness, and pace, helping users focus on areas where they need more practice. Suggestions for topics to revisit or progress to new more challenging materials are offered to support a mastery-based approach. Support for multiple subjects and grade level content is organized by grade level and subject area, covering subjects like math, from early math to calculus and beyond, science, physics, biology, chemistry and health, humanities, history, economics, government and art, computer science, basic programming in languages like JavaScript, test prep, standardized test preparation for exams like SAT, LSAT, dedicated content for children ages 2 to 8 with activities for reading, writing, math and social emotional development. Parents and teachers can set up and monitor child or student's account to track their progress. Progress reports and skill analysis help adults support learners' educational journey. Teachers can assign specific exercise and follow their students' mastery of each topic. Specialized modules for test preparations with practice tests and timed quizzes to simulate test conditions. Personalized insights on areas for improvement in test prep helping users prepare for exam more effectively. An on-screen scratchpad allows users to draw and work through problems, especially useful for math exercises. Additional tools for topics like graphing, trigonometry, and geometry help illustrate concepts visually. Users can set learning goals and receive reminders to stay on track with their study schedule. Gamification elements like daily streak motive, consistent learning encourages users to log in regularly. Dark mode is available for users who prefer a darker interface, reducing eye strain and improving battery life on OLED screens. This feature is still an experimental. Khan Academy aims to be accessible to all learners with options like screen reader, voiceover support, and adaptable font size. Content is also designed to meet accessibility standards, making the app usable by those with various learning needs. A powerful search feature helps users quickly locate specific lessons, topics, or skills they want to work on. Filters allow users to narrow down by subject, grade level, or topic. Teachers can integrate Khan Academy with Google Classroom, making it easy to access Khan Academy's resource and monitor students' progress within the Google Classroom environment. Alongside videos and exercises, the app provides articles and reading materials on many subjects, adding context and deepening understanding. Immediate feedback on practice problems, quizzes, and tests allows users to understand their mistake and correct them in real time. Khan Academy offers content in multiple languages, making app accessible to non-English speakers globally. One of the best things about Khan Academy app is its cross-device compatibility. The app is available on both Android and iOS devices. It works on iPhone, iPad, Android phones, tablets. This broad compatibility allows users with a wide range of devices to access the content. So, who is this application for? The Khan Academy mobile app is ideal for learners of all age who want to have flexible access to high-quality educational resources. It's especially helpful for a student needing supplemental learning in subjects like math, science, and test prep. Teachers and parents can also use the app to monitor progress and support personalized learning goals. Overall, it's perfect for anyone seeking a portable, comprehensive educational tool to learn at their own pace. Let's see what's good about this app. Free access to quality content. The app offers thousands of lessons and exercises across various subjects without any subscription fee, making quality education accessible to everyone. Offline learning. Users can download lessons and exercises, allowing learners without internet access, which is ideal for those with limited connectivity. User-friendly interface. The app's simple and intuitive design makes it easy for learners of all ages to navigate and use effectively. Wide range of subjects and grades. Covers a broad spectrum of subjects from early learners to advanced topics and test preps, making it suitable for students at every level. Progress tracking and motivation tool. Features like progress tracking, badges, goal setting keeps users motivated and help them stay on track with their learning journey. And where does it fall short? Occasional technical issues. Some users experience technical glitches, slower loading times, or issues with offline mode syncing, especially with large downloads. Limited content depth in some areas. While great for foundational topic, some advanced topics lack the depth or variety of these specialized platforms. Small screen limitations. On a mobile device, the small screen can make it difficult to view detailed lessons, especially in complex subjects like calculus or science. Depends on internet for update and syncing. While offline access is available, users need internet connectivity to sync progress and access new content, which can be inconvenience for some learners. And here's what some users are saying about the Khan Academy mobile app. So let's talk about the pricing. The core content of Khan Academy is free, as the organization operates as a non-profit supported by donations. This free model allows global access to quality education at no cost. Unlike many educational apps, Khan Academy does not offer premium or paid tier for additional content. Users have access to the same resource regardless of their payment status. Since the platform is non-profit and free, no special discounts apply here. However, users are encouraged to donate to support content creation and development. Now let's talk about something more important: data. So how safe is your data with Khan Academy? Khan Academy collects limited data for personalization and progress tracking. They do not sell data to the third parties, and the app is designed to comply with COPPA, Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, especially regarding younger users. Khan Academy's privacy policy is transparent and available on their website. It outlines the use of data for improving the app experience and ensuring educational outcome with no necessary data sharing practice. So, what's the final verdict then? The Khan Academy mobile app is an outstanding educational tool that brings accessible, high quality learning to a wide range of audience at no cost. With its diverse content covering a wide range of subject and grade levels, it's suitable for students, teachers, parents, and lifelong learners. The app's offline capability and personalized learning path add flexibility, while progress tracking keeps user motivated. While there are some minor limitations like occasional technical issues and some challenges with complex topics on smaller screens, the app's value as a free, comprehensive learning resource is hard to beat. Overall, Khan Academy mobile app is highly recommended choice for anyone seeking to learn on their own schedule and pace. And that's a wrap on today's review. Are you gonna try Khan Academy app? Let me know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who loves to learn. Don't forget to subscribe for more app reviews and tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.